naghihintay kami ay nagkaroon ng putatan. Ah! Oh my God! Kuya, what's happening? Oh my God, Shelly Joy! Sir!
They retreated at the back and then started firing indiscriminately into the air. Now, we do not have a definite count of how many people tried to enter the building. Number two, there are no casualties. None. No one was hit, no one is wounded, no one was killed. Number three, we are in the process of determining who is behind this. The President has given strict instructions. Secure the senators, whoever they may be. Next, we are not here to arrest Senator De La Rosa. In fact, we are here to protect him. Let that be clear. I made that very clear to his family. I repeat, we do not know who is behind this, but we will find them.
I-identify muna natin yung mga nagharang sa atin at i-inquest natin. Pailan natin ang kaso bago sila paalisin dito.
Pero ito, superior itong kay President Duterte.
Hindi na tayo membro ng ICC. Why are we insisting to carry out this, to implement this warrants of arrest issued by ICC? We are not under no obligation to carry out such a warrant of arrest. Hindi tayo membro. At ang klaro dyan, lahat ito ay politika.